first tile here in the corner, and this corner you can see the overhang of the existing molding, and it turns out that this existing molding is about 3/8 of an inch thick. So we really don't need the wall spacers as long as we keep the tiling or the flooring approximately even with the edge of the molding and the baseboard. So I'm just going to set the first piece in the corner here approximately equal to the baseboard, and then I'm going to set the second piece in next to it. When I do that, I want to align the two interlocking edges together, and I'm going to push down with my hand on the top edge, and then I'm going to push down with my hand and the butt of my palm on the bottom edge, and the middle sort of sticks up slightly here. So I'm going to use this 28-ounce dead blow hammer to tap the edge down. When I do that, the seam disappears, and you can barely tell that there's anything there at all.